Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create Disney account. First of all, go to the Disney Plus website or download the Disney Plus app. Now select a plan. Disney Plus offers different options like basic or premium. Select the one that fits your needs, like starting at 10 $11 per month or starting with $17 per month. Now enter your email address and create a strong password. Make sure your email is correct, as you will receive a confirmation link. Enter your payment details. You can use a credit card, PayPal, or other available methods. Disney Plus often offers a free trial, so keep an eye out for that. After confirming your email, sign into your new account and you are ready to start streaming, browse movie, shows, and more. That's it. You have successfully created your Disney Plus account. Enjoy all your favorite content and remember to like and follow for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.